Daily use common questions. Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Is it Japanese food? Is it Japanese food? Whose friend is he? Whose friend is he? Where is your room? Where is your room? What is over there? What is over there? Is this book yours? Is this book yours? Is she your sister? Is she your sister? Where is your cap? Where is your cap? Where is the pain? Where is the pain? Where is my watch? Where is my watch? What is going on? What is going on? Can you find it? Can you find it? Can you handle it? Can you handle it? What does it mean? What does it mean? May I put it here? May I put it here? When does it begin? When does it begin? Will it rain today? Will it rain today? How did you make it? How did you make it? How was your day? How was your day? When was it finished? When was it finished? What is on the desk? What is on the desk? Can I turn on the TV? Can I turn on the TV? Has he come yet? Has he come yet? What did he say? What did he say? Does he live here? Does he live here? Why did he run away? Why did he run away? Can he speak English? Can he speak English? May I pay by check? May I pay by check? Will you go by train? Will you go by train? When will you be back? When will you be back?